மேக்கப் போட்டிருக்கேன், கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ எடுத்துக்கலாம் ஒன்னே சேர்த்து. So let's start eating.
ये भी अच्छा रहेगा, ये बड़ा रहेगा. इधर कौन सा बस है? क्या चैनल का नाम है?
नहीं
वाले को देखेंगे ना हमें.
That focusing. क्या है ये?
क्या है कैमरा?
फोकस के होने के लिए कितना घंटा लगता है इसको ओए. This is the only yes. So yes guys, we just had our dinner, so I'm dragging him to railway station which is nearby and which is the only place you can go for a walk properly over here. And now like we had our dinner. I had chapati and he had dosa, and we went to one shop which is like, because here it's Ramzan time, they make a tremendously tasty sweets. So I have bought some and I'm gonna eat that in the railway station.
Tell the name.
You're spilling down everything, bro. So one is kind of, you might have seen that one we saw in Rasmalai and the Basundi, or one is something else, some China or something. So I'm going to eat it and in the railway station, because that railway station will be empty and very few train comes, and it will be a little bit breezy because in the room it's so much suffocated. And today night I do have work. I need to do some of my office work as well. So I need to wake up a little bit for more time. So that's the railway station which I was talking about.
Show the steps.
Why do you want to see the steps?
We used to jog.
Jogging, yeah. So can you see that so much empty it is? You can't come here alone. You require some guard with you. So here it is.
Yeah.
It's not like
Vaniambadi railway station.
okay. Then what?
So this is train.
And I have grabbed you here out of your busy schedule. So that's a train coming.
ஆச்சரியம் ஆனால் உண்மை. வாணியம்பாடியில் ட்ரெயின் வருது. மானம் பார்த்த பாடி.
So now I'm like, we got a place and it's not like big issue. You will get a place here because it's so much empty. And usually when I was here, I used to come to this place for a week together. That time what I do is like I used to come here for walking, a morning walk as well as evening walk, because you don't have space outside to walk as well as to go anywhere, because how much time you can be inside the room working. So this is the hangout place, you can say, which we all the office mates as well as
Chill out.
come and chill out here.
Yeah.
So the weather is also good today, thank God. I can have a good sleep. Even like the local people here, they used to come for their jogging and walking in the station itself.
Yeah.
So morning it will not be possible, like in the nights for the night exercise and everything. Usually many of the people we have seen in the railway
More than
station.
a platform, it's a track. Jogging
And
track.
and this place is not that scary or not that dangerous for ladies, because most of the people are very like friendly and very good. And yeah, and now it is a Ramzan season over here, so like it will be like till 2 o'clock it will be all what do you say, 2 o'clock it will be,
City will be awake.
yeah, so it will be like that.
ஜகஜோதியா இருக்கும்.
So let us enjoy this Basundi and keep you all updated. After this, we'll be going back to room because it should not be that late. Now, what is the time? I guess 9 o'clock.
9:10 maybe.
So max to max by 9:45 we have to be in the room. So yes, guys, keep you all updated.
Bye. Bye.
So I'm gonna taste the one which we were
Which we bought.
from that shop.
Yeah.
So
So
this is some China or something.
it's opening ceremony.
Come on. It is awesome. It is like rasmalai though, not exactly like rasmalai because it has balls like this.
Small. Wow.
Which is good. How much is this, Ashwin?
I guess மிஷி இருந்தானா இந்நேரம் பக்காவான ரியாக்ஷன் கொடுத்துருப்பா.
Okay, tell me, how much is this?
I guess 30 rupees.
Really?
20 I guess. 20 or 30.
This gonna taste the second one. I've already tasted, but I have not shown you the expressions.
Yeah.
This one is just
Awesome.
so tasty. It has just malai, the milk, kind of condensed milk, and cardamom with sugar, obviously. So tasty, so yummy. And
Okay.
I'm telling you, you will not get this for how much? 30 rupees.
30
no?
rupees.
30 rupees. You will never get this in Chennai for 30 rupees in this quality. So good, so tasty and yummy.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Of course.
Whichever level you are, this shows that you need to enjoy your life and you need to be happy. The lady is dancing. She might not have house and everything, though she's enjoying the music and she's dancing. So I'm going back to Chennai and let me show you all